In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Evernote subscription on mobile. If you want to stop your current plan and make sure it doesn't renew, I'll walk you through the process step by step inside the Evernote app. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct account on your mobile device so you're managing the right subscription. Start by opening the Evernote app. Once the app has loaded, tap your profile icon to access your account area. From there, go into Settings. This is where Evernote keeps the main options related to your account and app preferences. Inside Settings, select More Settings. This takes you into additional account controls that aren't always visible on the main settings screen. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top corner. That will open a navigation panel with more account-related sections. From that menu, select Billing. This is the area where you can review and manage your subscription details. On the billing screen, tap the option that says Here to try the new billing page. Evernote may route subscription management through this updated page, so this step is important. Once the new billing page opens, tap Manage Plan. This will bring up the available actions for your current subscription. Look for the Cancel Subscription option and select it. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Take a moment to read each screen carefully, since the app may show details about when your access changes or whether your plan remains active until the end of the billing period. Once you've completed the confirmation, your cancellation should be processed. It's a good idea to stay on the final screen until you see a clear confirmation message, just to be sure everything went through successfully.